What happens if you drink warm turmeric water every morning for 7 days on empty stomach? Turmeric is not just a herb used for your culinary delights, it is a herb that can provide your body with amazing health benefits. It has an excellent supply of antioxidants that will drive out free radicals from your body. It also has potent anti-aging and anti-inflammatory properties that help to keep you from premature aging while reducing any inflammatory condition in your body, such as conditions of gout, arthritis, and rheumatism. These properties of this bright yellow in color herb makes it a must-have for your daily dietary routine and general overall health plan. You can consume a glass of warm turmeric water daily for a period of 7 days and your health will improve significantly. To prepare this healthy drink, all you need to do is to put 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric powder in a warm water. Just a glass will be sufficient. Stir in the turmeric powder and the drink is ready for consumption. Make sure you consume a fresh supply of this drink in the morning before breakfast and on an empty stomach for a period of 1 week and you will notice the following health benefits. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric will help to reduce the pains and inflammation of joints caused by conditions such as rheumatism, gout, and arthritis. In 2009 a research was conducted by scientists at the Auburn University and it was seen that warm turmeric water was potent enough to soothe the pains and inflammation caused by these conditions. The Biochemistry and Biophysical Research and Biophysical Research Communications published the findings of the study. It is believed that while inflammatory conditions can potentially be a cause of several other ailments, turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that are even more powerful than known pharmaceutical anti-inflammatory drugs. When you consume warm turmeric water consistently, your digestive system will be given a boost, as it can help to improve the production of bile by your liver, which is needed to break down fatty foods consumed. By consuming warm turmeric water daily for 7 days, you will effectively alkalize your body and make it virtually impossible for tumors and cancerous cells to thrive in. The active compound in turmeric known as curcumin will help to unclog your arteries and free it of plaque, which can lead to serious cardiovascular conditions, such as stroke and heart attack. A study conducted in 2011 by researchers from Niigata University of Pharmacy and Applied Life Sciences in Japan had noticed tremendous improvements in the health of lab rats that were treated with turmeric after being injected deliberately with an autoimmune heart ailment. The findings of the research were published in the Journal of Biological and Pharmaceutical Bulletin. Warm turmeric water also has the potential for boosting brain functions and the prevention of degenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease or dementia. The curcumin in turmeric will increase the levels of BDNF or brain-derived neurotrophic factor and effectively reverse any cognitive disorder that may arise due to aging. Turmeric will boost the function of the liver to make it generate more bile while cleansing it from any harmful toxins that may cause damage to it. Consuming warm turmeric water will help to slow down the aging process and prevent premature aging due to free radicals in the body. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, will eliminate free radicals effectively.